In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify your MX records in GoDaddy DNS to ensure your email hosting is set up correctly and functioning as it should. Now, I know that for some, the thought of diving into DNS settings might sound a bit daunting, but I'm here to guide you every step of the way, making it as simple and stress-free as possible. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to head over to the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button, typically found in the top right-hand corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you haven't already, you'll need to enter your login credentials, usually your username or customer number, and your password. If you've enabled two-step verification, make sure to have your phone handy to complete that process. Once you're in, you should find yourself on the home page of your GoDaddy account. Now on the home page, look for the button or menu option that will take you to your products list. It might be labeled as My Products. Click on this and you'll see an overview of all the domains you have registered with GoDaddy. Find the domain that you want to update with new MX records and click on DNS or Manage DNS next to it. This will take you to the DNS settings page for that domain. Here's where the fun begins. Scroll down until you locate the MX Mail Exchanger section. If you're adding a new MX record, you'll see an option to add or create a new record. However, if you're simply updating an existing one, look for the Edit button adjacent to your current MX records. It's important to have the exact MX record details from your email host ready at this point. These typically include things like the priority and the mail server address, which ensure that your mail is routed correctly based on priority. Carefully input the new information. When it comes to priority, remember that lower numbers signify higher priority, so the email with the lowest number will be tried first. Once everything looks good and you've double-checked the entries for accuracy, go ahead and hit the Save button. Allow some time for the DNS changes to propagate, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added or updated MX records in your GoDaddy DNS settings. Next, you might want to test your email to make sure it's working properly and delivering to the intended address. Thank you for sticking with me through this process. Remember, a solid email configuration begins with correct DNS settings, and armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to mastering them. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time,